In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create polls on Slack. If you need a quick way to gather feedback, pick a meeting time, or let your team vote on a decision without leaving Slack, there are two easy ways to do it. The first is with native emoji reactions, which is perfect for fast and informal voting. The second is with the Simple Poll app, which is better when you need more advanced features like anonymous voting or stricter response limits. Let's start with the fastest option, an emoji poll. Open Slack on your desktop app or in a desktop browser, then go to the channel where you want to post the poll. Once you're in the right conversation, click into the message box at the bottom. Type your main question on the first line. After that, press Shift and Enter to move to a new line without sending the message. Now type a greater than symbol followed by a space to create a clean block quote format. Add an emoji for your first option, then type the choice text. Press Shift and Enter again and repeat the same format for your next option. This layout helps make the poll easier to read, especially in busy channels. When your message looks good, press Enter to post it. Right after sending it, hover over your message and click the Add Reaction icon. Then manually add the exact same emojis you used for each option. This is an important step because it saves your teammates time. Instead of searching for the correct emoji themselves, they can simply click the reaction already attached to the post to cast their vote. Now let's look at the more advanced option using Simple Poll. In Slack, go to the Apps section in the left sidebar and choose Add Apps. Search for Simple Poll, open the official app listing, and select Add to Slack. If Slack asks for permission, approve the connection so the app can be installed in your workspace. Once that's done, go into the channel where you want the poll to appear and click into the message field. Type the slash command followed by your question and each answer choice in quotation marks. You can also include settings like anonymous voting and a one vote limit directly in the command. This method is especially useful when you want cleaner vote tracking and more control over how people respond. That's it. For quick team decisions, emoji polls are simple and built right into Slack. For more structured voting, Simple Poll gives you a more powerful setup while still keeping everything inside your workspace.